Hey guys! Today I'm back and today we will be opening this. It's called a action pack thing. Action pack thing. Wand, controller, and pistol grip. Manette, wand, Ponji pistol. I don't know if this is okay for the Wii. Let me grab a Wii remote. Couldn't find one. But this has like the home button, these pluses, the A and these and this, and they have the what is it? The initial or whatever. They have the 1 and 2 buttons, and they have like the colors, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and they have the speakers. And then it comes with this gun. So, let's get unboxing. I think this is going to be tough to open, so give me a few minutes. Okay, guys, I finally got it unboxed. Let's take this out together. Oh, look at that. It comes with, like, this paper thing. Oh, look, it comes with the wire and everything. Not the wire, the thing, whatever. The thing, whatever. Oh, and it's like, it has a nunchuck part thing that bends right here. Oh, and it comes with, like, batteries. Free batteries for everyone. Just kidding. Let's do a battery giveaway. No! Okay, whatever. Okay, sorry. Keep messing up. I'll be back. Turns out this just bends up, so you can take this out. Oh. Seems like I can take this. Oh. Come with 2 batteries and this. Then we got to take this out. Oh, it comes with, like, instructions. Ow. Oh my god, it added up. We got this instructions. Oh, and we got, like, this thing. Very squishy. We got the NYKO, or whatever it's called, or however it's pronounced. Sorry if that sounded rude. And we got this. So, let's cut. Whoa, ow. Oh my god. Okay, let's cut to the tree. Sorry, just give me a second. Okay. So, we got this thing. Take a picture of the pistol and this. Like the background. And then we got to take this stuff out. Look at that! It comes right out. And then you can just pop this. Oh, look at that! It's so neat! It has like a squishy background. And then look how familiar this is to. Look, it has the B and everything. Maybe this is for it. Because let's just check if it has. What is? Okay, I'll read that later. Look, it's so similar. Look, it even has the button. Sync, whatever. It looks exactly like a remote. So, now we have the gun. Sorry. Wait. Yay, happy day! Just kidding. Okay, so we have the pistol. Pistol? What? Pistol? We have the pistol. Yay, go away. Pew, 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 pew. Okay, so we have the gun, BN something, whatever. I don't know. I'll read that to you guys. Oh, batteries come out like that. Also have this. This is supposed to connect right on. I think it's like find a way to put it on. Okay, so anyways, we have also heavy batteries. Watch this. Yeah, that's loud. Okay, so give me a second. Sorry about that. Queen of August was at my door. So let's just snap this back on. Sorry. Then we can snip this on like sniper. Wait. Oh. Look, let's snap this in place. Like, look this part. Just like that. It doesn't want. Give me a second. Okay, guys, I've just figured it out. This actually already has the bottom. Look, this is the full bottom. So you're supposed to take this off. I did not read the manual, I just figured this out. So you take that off, and then you're supposed to snip this right on. Because this has already a back, see? That means it slides into the top. Let me see. See? Then you've got a fully grown sniper. They grow up so fast. Then we got this that you put at the tip. Like, if you guys use the Wii, look, does this look so familiar? You've got, like, as soon as you see this, you've got to be like, hey, there's a Wii remote copy. It's not a Wii remote copy. This thing is very cool. Indeed. If you think not, then you're an idiot. Just kidding. Just people have different opinions. It snips right on. See? It has a back now. What are you watching my videos for? Nah, it's broken. I'm just kidding. I still haven't applied the batteries. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, we gotta put this on. What you gotta do to get this off is, I think you gotta click this, or maybe this. What does this do? Does this have a use, or like this? Nah. You have to snap. Nah. Is there something I click? Do I just pull this off? Oh, you do the thing like you slide this up. You know, like you slide this down and up. You slide this up, and then you pull it off. I think. Yeah. No. Now you gotta push this. Or now you gotta pull it off. I think. Wow, I'm such an idiot. Oh, you gotta take this part off. Oh, I broke it. I'm just kidding. It comes with that. Then you can snip on this. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. So yeah, bye!